The Bronx River Alliance hosts an open house celebration with free tree giveaways, free canoeing, and much more for community members.
It's our kickoff event for the season. It's an Earth Day celebration. It's a celebration of the Bronx River. It's a really fun, free event that we host every year with free canoeing, a tree giveaway, a fresh produce giveaway. We have lots of educational and art activities for the kids.
Newly installed Executive Director of the Bronx River Alliance, Siddhartha Sanchez, tells us why the career change.
This is a lifelong dream in a way. For me, it feels like I've been headed in this direction for a long time, and the opportunity presented itself, and I'm super excited to have started this week.
One of the attendees had a tree in her hand, so we got a chance to speak with her. It turns out she had an elderberry tree, and she herself makes elderberry syrup.
The berries are really powerful and potent. They're high in vitamin A, vitamin C. A lot of times people make it for elderberry syrup, which I do too. You might have heard about it a couple years ago. People were taking elderberry gummies and incorporating elderberry into their lifestyle. But it's just a beautiful plant, a beautiful berry.
Although this celebration has many activities and opportunities for community members to engage with, as you can see behind me, there is a crowd of community members awaiting for their free trees. I guess everyone wants a tree here in the Bronx. Reporting for BronxNet, I'm Kyrie Moody.